Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model X. We'll cover the various connector types, explore your home charging options, and then dive into the extensive public charging networks available. Understanding these aspects will ensure you always have power for your journeys, whether you're at home or on the road. Let's get started with the basics of connecting your vehicle. Charging at home is incredibly convenient. Your Tesla comes with a mobile connector, allowing you to plug into a standard 120-volt outlet for basic charging. For much quicker charging, consider installing a Tesla wall connector, which provides up to 48 amps. Alternatively, a NEMA 14-50 outlet, commonly used for RVs, offers a great balance of speed and installation ease. When you're away from home, Tesla's Supercharger network offers incredibly fast charging, getting you back on the road quickly. You can also find destination chargers at hotels, restaurants, and other venues, perfect for topping up while you enjoy your activities. For even more options, an adapter allows your Model X to use many third-party charging stations, expanding your range of choices. To maintain battery health, it's best to charge your Model X regularly, typically to 80 to 90% for daily driving. Before fast charging, precondition your battery using the navigation system to ensure optimal speeds. Always monitor your charging progress and schedule through the intuitive Tesla app, giving you full control and peace of mind wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.